What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome. Whoa, my voice cracked. Welcome to my channel. You see that, guys? I changed it from financial advisor to financial professional because everyone's like, all the apes don't like it when I say something's going down. So everyone's like, you shouldn't be advising this, you shouldn't be advising that. But none of this is financial advice. Just to be clear, So just to clear up some confusion, I changed it to financial professional now. So hopefully, not everyone gets all mad at everything anymore. Internet is crazy. People get mad at anything. Like yesterday I said, Ryan Cohen's selling a steak. No, he's not. Blah, 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 blah. I'm unsubbing. Some guy unsubbed yesterday in live chat. Anyway, what up, everyone? What up, Peasy and Low Roller?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. Did you watch Network 1268 minute video? Yeah, I did. I didn't even know what was going on. So the guy's homeless. He lives in an RV, and he's getting attacked by stalkers and stuff. I don't even know what's happening. And then apparently it's fake, and he says it's not fake. I don't know. How does the guy even have 7,000 subs? But yeah, I did watch it. Weird stuff. What up, Zach? What's up? Good, tried to short Wolf, clowning me for not being patient. Alright, I have no idea what's going on there in Wolf, so we'll check it out here in a second. Getting in at 107. Alright, yes. Give me 1 second, we will take a look at that. But I give you the G and the clown, since you asked for it. Don't know how bad it is yet, but we'll check it out in a second. Alright, guys. So today is Thursday, August 18th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Yes, back in the green again today. Not by much. Slightly bullish. But all the major indexes finishes in the green here. I think crypto's in the red, though. But yeah, stock market was slightly bullish today. So we're doing Tendytown. Hope you guys made some fat tennies today. Or some tennies at least. And yeah, guys, I don't have too much planned for today. Today should be a short show. Or relatively short, at least. So, like, the past week, we've been having some really, really long shows. Like, 3 hours each. Like, 2.5 to 3 hours each. But today, I don't have too much to cover. So, I think I'm going to get a nice break here today. But yeah, not as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Not much news today. 3 articles. Minor news. What about Adam Neumann, which is the WeWork guy, but he's getting into crypto now. Red flag. We'll get to that. One about a possible housing recession. So just an article about the overall housing market right now. I'm not a big real estate guy, but interesting stuff there. So we'll check that out. And then finally, last article on Turkey. Or is it Turkey now? As they changed their name officially. But the country, Turkey, they just had a rate cut, which is counterintuitive because inflation is so high there, and they just cut their rates, opposite of what everyone else is doing. So that's pretty interesting. We'll get to that as well. So 3 minor news articles there. And today for the TA, we're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond. Excuse me. We're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY. Have to again. That had about 25,000 mentions and major price action today. Once again, we're going to do a Bed Bath & Beyond. Still the hot stock right now, but a lot of apes getting wrecked. And then after that, we'll get to the Yolos. And Yolos should be fun. A lot of lost corn. A lot of apes getting wrecked here on Bed Bath & Beyond. Which we knew was going to happen. Pretty sad, but don't feel too bad. Because, that's gambling for you. But yeah, don't have too much planned for today, guys. So we should be an hour and a half to 2 hours today, depending on how many people come in and chat. But the channel, the community here has been growing very fast. We're at 1,150 now, and every single day, there's more and more people coming in and chatting, which I don't mind at all. So yeah, we're probably gonna go hour and a half, 2 hours today, depending on how many people come in and chat. But Thursdays are one of the better days for streaming, so I do expect a good amount of people today. All right, let's read some comments. What up, 1010? and swirls.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Dude, it's the pump before the Friday dump, lol. Yeah, well, Fridays usually do dump. I wouldn't really call this a pump, but, you know, a mini rally, I guess. Mini pump. But yeah, I do expect, you know, short term, I do expect a lot of bearish stuff to happen. A lot of hedge funds apparently think that, a lot of hedge funds are pretty bearish too. Apparently they've been loading up on shorts, shorting SPY. But yeah, certainly not complaining. Green day today. The guy have a huge fan club on YouTube. I'm surprised allow him to monetize on YouTube by cursing. Everyone make fun of him on YouTube. He got his own network. 126 in each category on YouTube by attacking him. Yeah, why do people like the guy? Is it fake or is it real? Because everyone says it's fake and he says it's real. I don't even know. Is it acting? You got Elon Musk news about crypto? No, I don't think so. What happened with Elon Musk? Link it. Monthly options expiration tomorrow. Yep, so, you know what that means. Market makers gonna do their manipulation thing, you know, pin these prices down. BBIG under 150, Bed Bath & Beyond under whatever, whatever strike. So, tomorrow go? We'll see, we'll see. It's the weekly stock market, colon cleanse tomorrow. Yeah, I kind of expect it. Hopefully not, but we'll see. But I do expect, tomorrow and in the short term, probably the next few weeks, the next couple of months, bearish market. What up, Eddie? And what up, Ken?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. IMPP looking green. I didn't see IMPP today, but we'll take a look at it real quick after we switch the screen here. And, Ken also wants me to look at IMPP. All right, so we'll look at IMPP in a second here. It is real life. Well, a lot of his followers say it's fake, and they you know, they're coming at him. So I don't know. Interesting channel. Don't know why he has so many subs, but okay. All right, guys. Oh, and just want to thank you guys real quick for yesterday's show. That was a great show. We had 23 likes, not quite a record, but you know, that was a 3-hour show, 23 likes, and got a lot of views. I think I got over 110 views live, and then I got 300 views on BBIG, and then I got like 100, almost 200 on the Bed Bath & Beyond video. So, yeah, yesterday was a really good show. So thank you guys for that. And just in general, lately, you know, we've been having some really good shows. Some good long shows, like I said. The community has been growing, like, very rapidly. So thank you guys for that. Okay. So I think we covered everything there. Yep. All right, so let's get to business, guys. Let's do it. Oh, and also, I have a guy fixing my wall here today, so, right now, so I hope he doesn't make too much noise. He hasn't made that much noise, but, my apologies in advance if you hear, like, some banging or something like that. Alright. Cool, let's do it. And before we begin, please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarty Gambling Show. Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Cool. Tell him to go see Rara Coco. He make his job triple digit. Yeah, what has Rara Coco been saying about BBIG? I bet he's mad hype. Alright. So what are we looking at? We're looking at Wolf and IMPP. Cool. Alright. What's going on here with Wolf? All right, so you're in at 107, Zach. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. Why is this going up? Wolf. Okay. Yeah, so be careful, Zach. Be careful. So, yeah, sorry about your loss, but it's not too bad so far. And, it's not looking good, honestly. It looks pretty bullish. Well, based on the news here, this is getting a lot of upgrades. A lot of upgrades here. Yeah, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, BMO, Cohen, SMBC Nikko, Goldman Sachs, Oppenheimer, Wells Fargo. A lot of price upgrades here. So this is getting manipulated now by the hedge funds. Hedge funds are in control. So yeah, dude, that sucks. I'm not gonna lie. They're probably gonna manipulate it and keep it artificially up here for the time being. So sucks you lost money there, and normally you would diamond balls, Rainbow Bear diamond balls it, but in this situation, when the hedge funds upgrade, it's not looking good. So not financial advice, but I'd probably look to exit that position and just take the small loss there. So sorry about that, and yeah, let us know what you do. Okay, had earnings. Okay, yeah, earnings and upgrades, I guess. So it's good to short when things pop on PR, but not on earnings and upgrades. So I think the move is to exit here. Not financial advice. All right, IMPP. Wow, 10% today. Nice gain. All right, so this may have bottomed out. Not saying it did for sure, but it may have bottomed out. Draw a couple more here. So it's looking like 34.2 may have been the new bottom. And yeah, so RSI's at 49 right now. So according to the RSI, the current price of 40 cents is around fair market value. Maybe should be a little bit higher. But yeah, it looks like this caught a new low, and it's starting to reverse. So this is pretty average entry here. 40 cents. Have no problems with you guys buying in here and holding for the long term. And hopefully this new low 34.2 is the actual new low. So yeah, pretty fair market value right now, but long term looks really bullish, and it looks like the worst is over. It looks like it bottomed out, caught a new bottom, and it's starting to reverse now. So starting to look bullish again, and long term it does look really bullish. So not exactly the greatest entry, but average entry, can't go too wrong here, and this is a buy and hold for the long term. That's how I play it. So I hope that answers you guys' questions. Looks like the worst is over and starting to go bullish. Haven't cut it yet. Will endure some pain, but eventually exit at some point. All right, dude. Just be careful. That was one lesson I had to learn. Holding too long, betting against the hedge funds, because everything is off the table when the hedge funds are involved and there's a lot of manipulation going on. You can't compete with them. You don't have the same type of firepower, insider knowledge. So for me, I personally learned that it's better just to take your loss when the hedge funds enter. But all right, dude. Hope it goes back down a little bit and you can recoup some money. But yeah, let me know how that goes. Let us know. It dropped to 32 cents. Damn, I didn't check. Worst is over. Yay. Well, not for sure, but it does appear like the worst is over. So it is looking bullish. Hope that answers your question. Okay. Cool. Forgot to check YouTube. Let me do that real quick. Where are we at? We're at 6 viewers, 9 likes. Lol. Nice. 6-9. All right, guys. So thank you guys. Everyone here?
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Okay. Cool. Let's run down the watch list. All right. So the Dow Jones up 0.06%, NASDAQ up 0.26%, and the S&P up 0.23%. So all major indexes in the green. Not by much, though. Slightly bullish. Not much movement. But certainly not complaining. I'll take it. So let's give that some money here. The VIX is down 1.71%, down 0.34 points. So we're at 19.56 VIX now. So still very good. Not very good, but still good, you know, below average VIX there, under 20. Anything under 20 is considered good. All right, let's run down the watch list. I'm not going to spend too much time here. So, yeah, number one loser on my watch list here, Bed Bath & Beyond. Down 20%. Which we're going to do TA on today, of course. What else we got? Damn, Ethereum pulling back. That's down under 3 now. Down 11%. Fubo down 11. AMC honorable mention down 10%. That's pulling back. GME 6.4%. Yeah, growth not doing too good today. A lot of memes getting wrecked. Growth in memes. There's AMTD, Moderna, DraftKings, Oxygen, Meme Index down 3.63%. Wish, Palantir, SoFi, all the 420 stocks. Damn, Verizon went down 2.5%. That's really bad for Verizon. That stock doesn't move like that. What happened there? Robinhood, Coinbase, Roblox, Peloton, Lyft. Don't see much value. Here's Target, 1.3%. Nike, 0.9%. JP Morgan, Microsoft, Tesla, Bank of America, Twitter, Walmart. All right, so there was some pretty decent price action, but that was all growth. Seems like for the most part, value didn't move too much. The value stocks that were in the red didn't move that much. Not much price action. So not too bad on the red side. Let's check out the green side. The U.S. announced they won't pay for more C-19 vaccines. Might be more downside there. On what? Oxygen? Well, so that's interesting. That's news to me. So thanks for that, 1010. Maybe that's why, yeah, there's like Novavax, and I think Pfizer was down too. Moderna, Novavax, all the vaccine stocks seems to be down. So maybe that has something to do with it. So for sure, thanks for that, 1010. This month, lawmakers off to vacation. Yeah, Congress, right? They have like recess or something. Pfizer, Moderna, yeah, Pfizer, Moderna, Novavax, Oxygen, everything. But I did read also that apparently the U.S. is distributing monkeypox vaccines now. We don't have that many yet, but I think the U.S. and don't quote me on this, but I did read this earlier today. That they're going to distribute the vaccines to people who need them the most, aka Rainbow Men. So bullish for monkeypox vaccines. I don't know. Interesting though. They're not going to do C-19 vaccines, and they're going to start distributing monkeypox vaccines now. Interesting. All right, back to this. All right, green side. So, wow, INDO went up 34%, and CEI went up 15%. So it looks like the oil is up today, especially small cap oil. So IMPP went up 10%, but yeah, INDO is the big one here. But CEI, IMPP, INDO. So it looks like small cap oil having a good day here. Oil in general, but small cap specifically. Cisco, big day here, 6%. MEGL, honorable mention, 7%. That's still doing its thing. Snapchat, 4%. NVIDIA, 2.4%. Yeah, Exxon, big day there, 2.4%. AMD, 2.2%. Yeah, BP. So oil doing really, really good today. Chevron up 1.75. Netflix 1.7. Yeah, I see a decent amount of value here. Domino's, Intel, Alibaba, Costco, GM, Dollar General, Google. So yeah. Not too much price action on the green side either, but mostly value in the green on the green side. Most of the value stocks are on the green side today. So it looks like value is really holding up the market today. And growth had some crazy price action. But overall, slightly bullish. Boomers probably did well today, and Ape should have did well. Maybe not if you're in Bed Bath & Beyond, but the Ape should have did well today also. So, yeah, slightly bullish day here in the stock market. I'll take it. Certainly not complaining, and I hope you guys made some pretty decent money here today as well. And let me just double check StockTwits, see if I missed any honorable mentions. Yeah, so BBIG honorable mention. Not going to talk about it again today because that only went up 5%. There's Bluebird Bio, 14.3%. Only 3,000 mentions there. I think someone mentioned that yesterday. Wanted me to talk about Bluebird Bio. So we're not going to do it, but honorable mention, 14% down, 3,000 mentions. Yeah, MEGL, 10%. And PSTV plus Therapeutics, 2,000 mentions, 47%. I don't know what's happening there, but honorable mention, big gain. Wait a minute. Am I reading this? Hold up. Alright, I got scared for a second. StockTwits gassed me. It said Bed Bath & Beyond was down 35% for a second. No, they lying. Alright, what up, Punk Skater? And what up, Jade? Hey, Jade. We love you when you're watching. Oh, awesome. Yeah, shout out to my friend Jade, my friend Lewis. Where's my,
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Alright, let's read some comments. Don't need to read it. Here's the link, vaccine news. Yeah, we could read it. Well, got a lot of news to go over. Yeah, we should have time. We don't have much to cover today, so we can read all these. We can read all these news articles. You guys are linking me. Why is oil up? No idea. But hey, are you complaining? Energy's doing well today. I don't think there's a specific reason. But yeah, oil doing well today, and small cap oil. They're all like low-key gamma squeezing. Update on my Bed Bath & Beyond 22.5 put bought yesterday for $5.95, sold for $7.35 because I had to sell as soon as market opened so I didn't get crushed by Ivy. Made $145. Nice, dude. Nice. Congrats to you, Punk Skater. Yeah, I'm glad that worked out, dude. Really glad that worked out. I was not concerned, but I was curious as to where it would open at, because IV was so high. So yeah, I think I did, and this is, none of this is financial advice, but I think yesterday I did say that probably the best thing to do is to cut it open. So nice little gain there. Congrats, dude. Very happy for you. Go treat yourself nice steak dinner or something. Oil is up because of natural gas getting pricier. Natural gas going up because of Russia, Ukraine. That could be it. Or that's probably a factor as to why, at least. I wanna know how our BBIG dude did. Please sell. Yeah, where is he at? What was his name? Kyler? So I hope, and again, none of this is financial advice, but I hope he listened and sold, because what's it at now? Like 2, 1? So I think it was at 5 this morning, right? So he could have made 100% if he dumped at the open. So I hope he did do that. Yeah, I'm curious how that went. Hopefully he jumps in here later on, or maybe he joins Discord. I want some bankruptcy. You keep saying that, dude, but do you really? If it makes it squeeze, then sure. But nothing makes sense anymore in this market. Companies go bankrupt and then they go up 200%. Like, why? Why SPY rug pulling last 10 minutes? No idea. Probably just, you know, profit taking. Day traders, market makers, profit taking at the end of the day. People don't want to hold into options expiration tomorrow. Yeah, probably that too. You know, just selling ahead of the go tomorrow. What happened if Punk keeps it? If he make. What happened if Punk keep it? If he will make a lot of money since Bed Bath & Beyond tanked today? Not exactly sure. No, I think he would. It's hard to say because there's a lot of factors, a lot of variables. A lot of, you know, with the options, delta, gamma, theta. I think I missed one, Vega, and IV. So, I think if he held it, IV would come down and he would actually lose money. Can't say for sure, but I think he did the right thing in cutting at the open when IV was high. He bought for 3. They were 5 at open. They are currently 1. All right, so yeah, he could have been up quite a bit there. And if he didn't sell, he would have been down, you know, 60, almost 70% now. So he could have been up like 70%, and if he didn't sell, he'd be down 70% now. So I hope he did do that. Did you see that Benzinga article where a college student made $100 million on Bed Bath & Beyond? I did see that, yes. I didn't hear about it until I saw Wall Street Bets. So apparently he didn't even know that it was a meme. And it's a rich kid. He took like he took like 25 mil from his dad or something, and then he YOLO'd it into Bed Bath & Beyond and turned it into 100 mil. And he's like, yeah, I'm a genius now. So, you know, I wish I could take $25 million loan as well. That'd be nice. So, yeah, congrats to him. You know, really, really, really good move. But I don't think he really knew what he was doing. It was more luck than anything. And, yeah, you know, if I had a rich dad, I'd just go crazy too. Also, like that. He said he didn't know it was a meme stock. Yeah, exactly. So, I don't think he knew it. I don't know. He didn't know a damn thing. He didn't know anything. He didn't know what he was doing. He's like, all right, whatever. YOLO 25 mil. What is 25 mil? And then he turns it into 100 mil. Okay, nice. Crazy stuff. Bed Bath & Beyond traded sideways most of the day after morning dump. IV come down and time factors most of it. His contract went down rest of the day. Yeah, so yes, I think cutting was the best thing to do. Did he sold the kid Bed Bath & Beyond at peak? Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did sell. That guy has to be the ultimate ape, bro. Holy poop. Yeah. Yes. And, yes, very typical. No idea what you're doing. 25 mil YOLO. You know, daddy's money. What? It's a meme? I like the stock. Meanwhile, everyone else, you know, has Apple, Microsoft, SPY. Bed Bath & Beyond down another 20% after hours. Is it? Because that's what StockTwits was saying, and I'm like, no, it's not. And then, is it? Hold up. Holy crap, it is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And it's gone.
Oh yeah.
And it's gone.
What is happening? It is now at... So I was behind here on TD. But on IBKR, it's at 1450 now. It's at 1450. Down 37%, bro. What is going on? Why is it dumping so hard? Alright. Yep, that would do it. So it comes out, Ryan Cohen dumped everything. He has dumped everything. 0% stake in the company. He sold everything. So to all the clowns yesterday that, you know, FUD news, he didn't sell, blah, 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 blah. What now? Told you. And plus, even if he didn't sell, he was going to sell. So, yep. And now there's rumors that he was, well, he definitely was down. I think he bought in at 15, and then but now there's rumors that he purposely caused the gamma squeeze so he can exit his stake. So he just dumped it in all the apes. Anyway, yeah. So breaking news: Ryan Cohen officially sold everything. 0% stake. 13D. 0% stake. Yep, that would do it. That would do it. So now it's at 14. 14, and I'm watching this live. It's at 14, and still taking. I should actually change the title. Give me a second here, guys. Let me change the title real quick. So this time the news, the title is, legit. So no, I don't want anyone calling this FUD news. This is legit now. Okay. All right. Boom. Ryan Cohen dumps entire stake. All right. And we got 11 viewers and 11 likes now. So thank you guys for being here. A lot of people in here today.
I appreciate you.
And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. All right. So yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond currently $14. We're watching this live, and we'll analyze this very soon. In the meantime, let's get to crypto and the news. Give me a second here. Let me pull up crypto and the news. Okay. So damn, actually, Punk Skater probably should have held. Oh man, yeah, Punk Skater, you probably should. If you held your put, you probably would have printed more. I mean, you can't be that upset because you made some pretty nice gains there. But I wonder what it's worth now. Wonder what it's gonna be worth in the morning. All right, the dad probably billionaire. Yeah, I don't know who has 25 mil just to give their son like that. That'd be nice. Punk Skater, sideways price movement, high IV, and high time decay head to GTFO. Yeah, you did the right thing. I think we all agree that you did the right thing. But sometimes the right thing is not the, sometimes the logical thing is not the right thing. Let's put it that way. So if you did hold it into tomorrow, you would have had a lot more. We can't be too upset, dude. You can add Bed Bath & Beyond in your article link in your show. Punk post the link. That's more like a joke though. That's not like, real catalyst or anything. Oof, Bed Bath & Beyond rug pull like BitConnect. Yeah, let's give it the BitConnect. Oh, wrong button. I hit crickets. My bad. Where's my BitConnect? There it is.
Be connect.
Rug pull. Yep, absolute rug pull. Ryan Cohen going to prison with SEC knocking his house. That is definitely, this is grounds for an SEC investigation for sure. There was definitely some manipulation. Ryan Cohen definitely aped it. He definitely manipulated this, and it is grounds for a lawsuit. So, I would not be surprised if the SEC and Congress subpoenas him. He sold, pump it. Alright, I got you. Where is it? He sold, pump it. Alright, it's now at 1350. 1350 and counting. 1350 and counting. And he will use all of the money he made to pay an army of lawyers. Yep, exactly. Yep, exactly. I'm pretty sure he's going to get sued by the SEC or Congress or something. And he don't care, though. He's rich now. Absolutely sketchy. Probably not illegal, in my opinion. No, it definitely is illegal. It definitely is illegal. But, rich guy. Nothing's going to happen. What up, Wilson? What's up? I should have held. Yeah, dude. Like I said, sometimes the logical thing is not the right thing. Most of the time it is, but yeah, that kind of sucks. Oh well, dude. Who would have known? We can be miserable together. You should have held. We coulda, woulda about Bed Bath & Beyond, and I'll do the same with AMC. Yeah, I feel your pain, dudes. How much can you... you can't check low roller because it's aftermarket. You can check tomorrow, but the options are not updated right now. Yeah, Tencent just said that. All right, it is what it is. Part of the game, absolutely. You know, taking it pretty well. At least you're not in the red. That's the most important thing. All right, now it's pushing 13. We're at 13.24 now. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond is just going right in front of my face, right in front of our face. All right, so keep an eye on that. But yeah, it's pushing 13 now. All right, crypto time. All right. So here's crypto. That is down 0.11% today. Not that bad. I thought it was worse. So slightly bearish day here in crypto. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin up 0.17%, pretty sideways. Ether up 1.4%. Binance down 1.7%. XRP down 0.6%. Cardano down 1.9%. Doge down 5.4%. SHIB 7.4%. There's a decent amount of red here. Bit deceiving if you ask me. Wrap Bitcoin's up a little bit. Litecoin up. Near protocol. Yeah, there's a little green here, but mostly red. Let's sort this out. I don't see too much price action, though. We'll start on the green side. Okay. Yeah, so there's like 20% of the coins in the green. Not much at all. Biggest skinner, Celsius, 9.5%. I still don't know why that's going up. That's pretty ridiculous, but okay. Yeah, biggest skinner, Celsius, 9.5, and then big drop off from there. Then it's Genesis, 3.25. And then Flow, 1.45. So, yeah, not much price action on the green side here. Not many coins in the green, not much price action. And only value coin is really Ether. And I guess near protocol. Well, yeah, wrap Bitcoin, Litecoin, and... Yeah, wrap Bitcoin, and Litecoin as well. Those didn't move much, though. But yeah, not really much happening on the green side here. And let's check out the red side. So 80% of the coins in the red. So that sucks, but price action wasn't too bad on the red side. Biggest losers, UOB, 8.2%, and then SHIB, 7.4%. So actually, it's a bit deceiving. You would assume that the market cap will go down more than 0.11%. So I'll take it. But yeah, a lot of coins in the red here. Price action wasn't too bad, but there is a decent amount of value in the red here. SHIB and Doge. Actually, it's just SHIB and Doge. Well, Avalanche too, I guess. So yeah, slightly bearish day here in crypto. And it could have been a lot worse. I will definitely take this. This is a bit deceiving. So there you have it, guys. Slightly bullish day in the stock market. Slightly bearish day here in crypto. So overall, pretty neutral day overall. So I hope you guys made some attendees today. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. Let's just get some applause there. So Punk will be a millionaire tomorrow if he keeps Bed Bath & Beyond. Not quite a millionaire, but he would make more than 145. At least I'm not red. Very good point. I'll keep that in mind. Yes, at least you could say that, you know. Can the apes say that on Wall Street Bets? Speaking about the apes on Wall Street Bets, damn, those averages at 30, 25, go. RIP. Back to Wendy's. Back to McDonald's. What is price to buy Bed Bath & Beyond? 6? I would say $6.50. Not financial advice, but I'd say $6.50 and lower. But we'll do the full analysis very soon here. What up, Chilo? Haven't seen you in a while, dude. Welcome back. I wonder if Bed Bath & Beyond Rise was more retail FOMO or institution panic short covering. It was both. It was both. You know, the retail FOMO would cause the institution to panic cover. So it's a little bit of both. A lot of different factors going into that. And it's also not just retail. It was Ryan Cohen. Oh. Options are for next week? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Damn. I want to know what they're going to be worth in the morning. Yeah. Sorry about that, Punk Skater. But, again, at least you're not in the red. Oh, man, that hurts. That really hurts. I'm sorry about that. Can't be too upset, though. Can't be too upset. But I feel you, dude. Missed opportunity. What up, Igor? Ryan Cohen did retail dirty? Yeah, and retail thought he was the savior, right? No, the whole time he's trying to take a dump. The whole time he was underwater. He bought at 15, right? Allegedly, he bought at 15. He goes underwater. He goes down to 5, and then he could care less about retail. He's not Adam Aaron. He just dumped it on everyone, and then retail. I don't know why retail refused to believe it yesterday. He didn't sell it yet. He's going to sell it, and then now he sells it all. Down 30%, broke 13. Yeah, it's at 12. It's at 1285 now. It's actually down 44%. It's down 44%, not 30, and counting. Ryan Cohen pulls Safe Moon rug pull scam on Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, I mean that's a good analogy for sure. 13, bruh. Yep. I'm sorry, dude. I feel you.
Bruh.
Yep. 1275, 1270 now and counting. 1270 and counting. 1260 and counting. I'm literally just watching this live. This is just going straight go live. Like, this is insane. I mean, we knew this was gonna happen, right? Okay. Yeah, this is nuts. All right. So yeah, there's crypto. Back to this. There's crypto. Keep an eye on. It's at 1245, 1240 now. This is disgusting. What the actual hell? Holy crap. All right. I think Punk Skater's getting really upset. 1230. 1230. No more Bed Bath & Beyond talk. It hurts my heart, and it wasn't even my play. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. Well, we're going to be talking about it a lot more. That's what the whole show's about. It's at 1230 now. All right, so let me open some of these articles. You guys link to me. Give me 1 second. All right. The guy Glad in the chat sold Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday. Yeah, 27. He literally sold the high. Good thing he sold there. Definition of falling knife. Holy crap, bro. Yeah. Yep. There it goes. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
I mean, I tried to warn the apes. We all knew this was going to happen. I thought there was some rule against him selling as an insider. No. He just has to disclose. You just have to disclose when you sell as an insider, which he just did. So, no, there's no rules against that, unless there's a lock-in period, but I don't think that he was locked in or anything. So he didn't break any rules as an insider, but he definitely was manipulating it in some way. So he definitely broke some rules, but not the rules that you're thinking about. He can do that as an insider, as long as he discloses the play. Down to 12. We're down to 12 now. Down to $12. What the hell? What the hell?
And it's gone.
All right, so we'll keep an eye on this. But yeah, it's literally down to $12 now. Bed Bath & Beyond at 5 tomorrow at this point. Sheesh. Yeah. It just broke 12. It just broke 12. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Okay. All right, moving on. news time. All right, guys, so today I got 3 articles, and looks like we got 4 more from you guys here in the community. I got one about WeWork CEO, Newman, the housing market, and Turkey. So, yeah, minor news here. This shouldn't take too long. Let's do it, guys. So, former WeWork CEO, Newman, to launch digital wallet that stores crypto, Forbes. So, quick take. The plan to launch digital wallet is confirmed following a $350 million investment from A16Z for Adam Newman's latest venture, Flow. Newman, former WeWork co-founder and CEO, also founded Flow Carbon, which develops blockchain-based carbon trading tool. All right. So yeah, if you guys, so we did cover this, I think like last week. We saw that Newman did get a $350 million investment from A16Z, which I was like, come on, bro, do you not know the history? You guys know who this guy is, right? Former WeWork CEO, was supposed to be the next genius, and actually the company's doing really bad, and he got kicked out like a couple of years ago. But now he's back. And I don't think you guys should put your money in this. Not financial advice, but I do not trust this. Flow Carbon, blockchain-based carbon trading tool. Yeah, I don't know. So, you know, once a fraud, always a fraud. Careful, guys. Yeah, it says it raised $70 million to develop blockchain carbon trading tool. All right, so, yeah. I don't know what this company sees in this guy. And red flags everywhere. Stay far away. Hope it works out, though. But, yeah, red flags everywhere. I would stay far away. All right, so looking at, it looks like 12. I think 12 was some support there. It looks like 12 is some pretty critical support. It's bouncing back from 12 now. A little bit. For now, at least. All right, next article. Home sales fall nearly 6% in July as housing market slides into a recession. Key points. Sales of previously owned homes fell nearly 6% in July compared with June, according to a monthly report from the National Association of Realtors. Sales dropped about 20% from the same month a year ago. In terms of economic impact, we are surely in a housing recession because builders are not building, said Lawrence Yoon, chief economist for the Realtors. All right, so yeah, so it took a while, but eventually housing also did follow everything else in terms of go. So I think we read an article earlier in the week that a lot of sales were getting canceled. But yeah, so I guess we're officially in a recession now, housing market wise, if not just a general recession. But yeah, so homes were going crazy for a while, but finally that is starting to pull back as well. So now may be a good time to buy the dip in the housing market, not financial advice. All right. Moving on. Next article. Turkey shocks markets with rate cut despite inflation near 80%. Its main policy rate, which had been near 14% for the last 7 months, was cut to 13% in a complete mismatch to what other central banks are doing around the world. Analysts expected no rate change. The move lower by the Turkish central bank has taken markets by surprise. The lira, Turkey's currency, slid 0.9% against the dollar following the news, trading at more than 18.1 to the greenback, near a record low. All right. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, Turkey has a very bad inflation problem right now. And yeah, this is some pretty shocking news here. Because everyone else, is dealing with inflation right now. They're raising rates, and Turkey decides to cut rates. Pretty counterintuitive, and I'm not sure if this is going to work. So they may have just shot themselves in the foot here. I don't know what the plan is. Or who's in charge, but this is pretty counterintuitive. So, hope everything works out. I don't know what the plan is, but hope it works out, and hope the people of Turkey they're the victims in this, or potentially going to be the victims in this. So, hope everything ends up okay for them. I don't know what they're doing here. Let me see. Yeah, they cut by 100 points. I don't know what they're doing here. Maybe there's a method to the madness. I don't know. But, no one knows why they're doing this. So I hope it works out. Alright, what do you guys have here? Fake Manchester United token soars 3,000% after Elon Musk jokes about buying team. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure I've seen this coin too. Manchester coin or something. So I didn't see this. Wow. So is the SEC going to do something now? Did Elon Musk buy this? Did Elon Musk buy Manchester coin and then tweet about it? This is insane. So a lot of people got hurt here. So he's just trolling, and then he sent this poop coin 3,000% up. Wow, bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah. So that is definitely not legal. Nothing's gonna happen, but definitely not legal. Elon Musk is doing Elon Musk things again. That's pretty funny. So congrats to everyone who made money here, and sorry to everyone who lost money, but come on, you gotta be smarter than this. I didn't hear about this. That's pretty funny. And sad at the same time. Ripple CTO lashes back at Vitalik Buterin for his dig at XRP. Alright, so this is just crypto drama, crypto giant drama here. Yeah, so I didn't hear about this, but I guess Vitalik doesn't like XRP much, and David Schwartz got offended, and he's hitting back. Okay, minor crypto beef here, nothing too crazy. And the Ripple case is still going on. I think it's coming to an end. What is this? Alright, I don't know what this is. And last article here. I'm not going to read this because I need to turn on ads, but it says Seattle CEO who cut his pay so workers could earn 70K resigns. I did hear about that. Very generous CEO. He made sure that the minimum salary was 70K, and I guess he was taking money out of his own pocket to do that. So I don't know why he resigned, but I guess there's no more 70K minimum salary. So it sucks for the workers. Alright, anyway guys, that's all the news for today. Minor stuff, nothing too crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And let's get to what we've all been waiting for. The Bed Bath & Beyond TA. But I'm looking at... It's holding pretty strong here. It looks like it's holding 12 pretty strong. 12.20. It's not really moving anymore. So, I think there's still a long way to go to the downside, but for now, it's holding 12. It's actually recovering a little bit. All right. Cool. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 13 viewers, 12 likes. So, more viewers than likes. So thank you guys for being here. Everyone, watching right now, all the lurkers.
I appreciate you.
And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. Bed Bath & Beyond. Yes, I was holding 12.20 right now. Punctator says, what the actual F? Yeah, I feel you, dude. Homes fell 6% after rising 15-20% over the past year. Yeah, so it is a dip. Not much of a dip, but it is a dip. Maybe it'll dip more. Turkey GDP is struggling, hoping a cut gives it a shot in the arm. Trying to avoid an even further gut in the short term. Yeah, but what about the long term? You're trying to put a Band-Aid on. This is not going to end well. This is not going to end well at all. I feel bad for the citizens. We talked about this Manchester coin, United coin months ago. Yeah, I remember it. I'm like, what the hell is this? Manchester United coin? And then it moves out of nowhere. That's funny. Never thought I'd hear about it again. He got in trouble for SA. Oh, okay. All right, well, maybe he's not such a good dude after all. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what's going on. But, yeah, pretty unfortunate. And I guess people aren't going to get their money anymore. Resigned to fight recent charges of SA and reckless driving. Yeah, so he's making some bad decisions in real life. Really unfortunate, really unfortunate. Unfortunate for him and unfortunate for the employees. Really sad situation. Big short investor Michael Burry dumps all stock, but won after predicting market crash. That's the article link I posted you didn't receive. The article title. Okay, yeah, well, Michael Burry hasn't been relevant in a while. He's had some bad calls. He had the one big call. He had the one good call, which made him a billionaire back in 2008, and hasn't gotten much right since then. Well, he got GameStop right. Well, he wasn't GameStop, but he didn't do it for the squeeze. He just got lucky there, too. So, you know, shout out to Michael Burry, but he's not as respected anymore. All right, guys. All CEO will get a huge pay cut. Yeah. So, really sad all around. You know, CEO, I'm sure he didn't want to get fired. He didn't want to leave, and the employees like their salary. So that sucks. But, all right, guys. So we've been going for an hour here, and we're doing good on time. Good on time so far. Right on time. And yeah, so we're just gonna do Bed Bath and Beyond TA. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And there aren't too many Yolos today. Gonna be a lot of Lost Chord. That's gonna be fun. All right, so let me take a quick drink and let's get started here. What up, Wen? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. You cut BBIG, right? Yeah, you did. I think you mentioned it on Discord earlier. So, congrats to you. I'm not sure when you cut, but congrats to you, Wen. Nicely done. So yeah, a lot of people here. Wen, what up, Wen, Monir, and Victor?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Company will probably keep pay. They have been doing that since 2016. Already have the dollars for it, and would be paying to hire, replace all the people that leave. Yeah, they should, just out of respect. Hope it works out. How are you, brother? Can you check out ENDP? Sure, dude. Let me just yeah, let me just do. All right, we'll do ENDP real quick. I was gonna say let me do Bed Bath & Beyond, but we'll just very quickly look at ENDP. Wow, big gain here today. 43%, not sure why. So RSI is currently at 46. So you know, still below fair market value according to the RSI. Should be a little bit higher than 41 or 40.5. So pretty decent entry at the moment. Can't go too wrong here, and long term looks really good. Gap down at $3 and $2 and big cup and handle. So big in here today, but still not too late to buy in. Pretty average price right now, and long term should pay off pretty big. Should come back up to 2 and 3 to fill the gaps, and possibly 7 to complete the cup long term. So, yeah, I would say short term and long term looks bullish. May pull back a little bit in the short term, but yeah, I would say short term and long term bullish. Okay, hope that answers your question. Had news the NDP didn't infringe on patent, no more lawsuit. All right, I guess that's why it went up today. Not sure what's going on with that company, but yeah, very nice. All right, now it's at 1170. 1170. So it was holding 12, pretty good, but now it's at 1170, bro. Thinking of getting in the snap if market looks good tomorrow. 2 gaps to fill upside. Yeah, just be careful with snap. I guess we'll look at that as well. Just be careful with snap because it is a meme stock, you know. So high risk, high reward. But you know, according to the chart, it looks really bullish. A lot of gaps. 3 gaps to fill on the upside. Not 2, 3 gaps. Actually, I think it's more. Maybe not. Yeah, it's 3, I think. But yeah. RSI's at 55, so pretty average price. You know, pretty average entry. Can't go too wrong here, and it does look really bullish long term. So, I would buy and hold Snap. It's probably not a swing play, but buy and hold. Yeah, I like it, dude. So, good luck. Congrats to you. Or good luck to you. I didn't look that far up. Yeah, it's there's a gap here at 74, so it looks really bullish long term. So good luck. Hope that works out. Cool. All right, guys. Let's do Bed Bath & Beyond. Yep. Now it's 1190 now. 1195. All right, it's going back up to 12. It looks like 12 is holding. We'll see where it goes, but 12 is holding pretty strong here. Or decently, at least. All right. Going to take a quick drink, and let's get started here. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Cool. Break even for me was 16.25. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I'm sorry. Who would have known, though? Who would have known? Alright, I don't know why I'm dropping frames now. Of course I am. I can't do anything. Whatever. Let's get started here. Yeah, it's holding 12 pretty strong. Looks like it's holding 12. 12 critical support, it looks like. For now, at least. And it's also going to gap down again. It's going to gap down again, so it's going to be a double gap down. Interesting. All right, cool. So yeah, it looks like it's holding 12 pretty strong here. Where are my frames? All right, whatever. I don't care. Let's go, guys. So here is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. This finishes at $18.55 today. That is down 19.63%. One more time.
And it's gone.
Frame's not cooperating here. I'll just redo that part later. Oh, forgot I mentioned, yeah. And in the aftermarket here, this is still pulling back. It's now down to, and in the aftermarket here, this is currently crashing. Right now, this is at $12 in the aftermarket.
And it's gone.
Oh, let me redo the, So we've been discussing this stock for almost 3 weeks now. ever since it started squeezing. This went from the low of 440 up to the high of 30, up to the high of $30, which is over a 580% upside. This stock and a bunch of other meme stocks and low float stocks have been squeezing recently, and while most of those stocks have since pulled back, this stock kept going. Okay. So it's been an epic short squeeze so far. But the past 2 days, this has pulled back. This has pulled back very significantly. This is losing momentum, and it does appear like this, and this is quickly losing momentum. This is quickly losing momentum. And it does appear like the squeeze is coming to an end here. Very quickly. So there's a reason as to why this stock is tanking so hard. We do have some negative PR here. So let's check that out. Okay. So this is breaking news. So a Form 13D was filed, and it says that Ryan Cohen has a 0% stake in the company. So he has officially dumped. Everything. So yesterday, there was a lot of confusion. When the Form 144 was filed, saying that Cohen was going to sell, but everyone was saying he didn't sell it. He didn't sell yet. But yeah, and everyone was saying he didn't sell yet. I did get a good amount of hate because I was spreading FUD for saying he sold when he didn't sell. But we are getting confirmation now that he did in fact sell. What does it say? All right. Yeah. It says here he sold his entire stake on Tuesday and Wednesday. So Ryan Cohen is officially out. He took a giant dump on the apes. Is he still the captain of the ship now? So very bearish news there. And in addition to that, we did have some price downgrades. Wedbush downgraded to $5 and KeyBank downgraded to $2. And this is in addition to Odeon, which downgraded to 7.5, and B. Riley, which downgraded to $5. Not too long ago, very recently. So it appears like the institutions are starting to sell and short this down. Ryan Cohen dumping his whole stake, and the hedge funds coming in and shorting this down now. So that's very unfortunate. But I'm not surprised. Let's be real, guys. We all knew this was gonna happen. I've been trying to warn you guys. I've been saying, hit the sell button, secure the gains, don't get too greedy. Because ultimately, this was not going to end well, and it's not going to end well. All right. So this was number 1 on StockTwits today. Had over 22,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Okay. And during short squeezes, the fundamentals and technicals don't matter as much, but they're still very helpful. So take this with a grain of salt, guys. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Doesn't your chart have a setting to show after hours? Your views would probably skyrocket. No, it doesn't. I can see it on the 1 minute chart here, like this, like that, but not on the daily chart. Or I don't know how, at least. So maybe there is. Somehow I could do it. I don't know though. We'll just have to see it tomorrow. Okay. Cool. Bull flag. All right. Let's see here. So we do have this bull flag in the making. No confirmation just yet. But here's the flagpole. And all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator. That is suggesting that tomorrow, that is suggesting that the stock may be due for a breakout. Here we have an ascending channel. Right now, the upper channel is at 26. And the lower channel is around 19. So if this breaks 26 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this breaks 19 to the downside, that would be bearish. So this did in fact break 19 today. So this did in fact break 19 today. So the ascending channel is currently a bearish indicator. RSI is currently at 70, so this is still in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. Although it'll definitely be a lot lower tomorrow at the open. Cup and handle and gaps. Yes. We do have this cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 440. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $30. And if it is $30, that would currently be a bearish indicator, because that would mean the stock is due for some pullback to form the handle. But in the longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 31.70, 39.30, $40, 44.55, or even the high of 53.90. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is. But it looks like in the short term, the cup and handle would be bearish, and in the longer term, the cup and handle would be bullish. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 30 or 31.70. Yes. Okay, and then gaps. We do have a triple gap up. It's pretty hard to see here. But the first gap up was back at 13.30. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 13.30 to fill that gap. And that should fill tomorrow when this opens. Second gap up was back at 8.30. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 8.30 to fill that gap. And the last gap up was back at 6.50. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 6.50 to fill that gap. And all of those gaps should fill in the short term. And then we do have a double gap down. First gap down is back at 22.45. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 22.45 to fill that gap. And the second gap down will be created tomorrow at 16.20. So that's another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 16.20 to fill this gap. All right, I think I got everything there. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. The thing that doesn't make sense to me is that Ryan Cohen had calls on Bed Bath & Beyond at 60 to 80 strike but sold the shares. Wouldn't it be better if he bought puts, or would that be too obvious? So you're saying... Yeah, he had calls for that for 60 to 80, but he didn't really expect it to go that high. You know, and wouldn't it be better if he bought puts? You mean like, yeah, it would have been better if he unloaded and then bought puts, you know, and went full Chad mode. But that would be too obvious. He's already manipulating it. That would have been so obvious. That is definitely, you know, grounds for a lawsuit, a subpoena. I mean, he already should get subpoenaed and sued. But yeah, that would have been way too obvious. Okay. What's it at now? It's holding 12. It's holding 12. Okay. Cool. All right, we'll go up to 30 and down to 10. So right now at the current price, this is sitting on the support of 18.55, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 18.90, 19.30, 1965, 2015, 2055, 2090, 2125, 2160, 2205, 2245, 2280, 2310, 2345, 2370, 24, 2420, 2450, 2530, 2580, 2640, 2670, 2725, 2775, 2810, 2855, 2885, 2920, 2955, and then $30. There is resistance above $30, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1835, 1805, 1780, 1750, 1710, 1665, 1620, 1565, 1530, 1490, 1450, 1420, 1380, 1340, 1295, 1260, $12, 1170, 1125, 1090, 1055, 1015, and then and then 965. There is support below 965, but we're not going to discuss that right now. He may have bought puts and disclosed next week. Yeah, he would do that. He would do that. I don't think he did, but he would do that. I would not be surprised. Even with time, those far out of the money calls were relatively cheap. Yeah, so he didn't actually want them to go to 60, but the apes thought like, oh, we bought him for 60. It's going to 60. Nah, bro. He just dumped it on you. Is he still the savior? Is he still the captain of the ship? Nah, bro. Okay. So right now at the current price, 1855, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 715 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 715 to the downside. This did 159 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 11 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And this is a significant pullback in volume from yesterday of 260 million, and the day before of 400 million. So it appears like the momentum is cooling off and the squeeze is coming to an end. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Forgot to mention also before. So I've been saying up to this point that I'm very happy for the apes so far, but it's getting very dangerous. And you guys should probably look to sell pretty soon. Secure the gains, don't get too greedy. Diamond hands is not the way. Okay. So like I said, it's been an epic short squeeze so far. Went up almost 600% from the low to the high. I've been warning you guys up to this point to cash in, secure the gains, because ultimately everybody knew this. Everybody knew this was going to happen. It was just a matter of when, not if. So it's a falling knife right now. And still appears to be, and there still appears to be a lot more downside to go. This looks extremely bearish in the short term. Again, we're getting some very strong bearish indicators right now in the cup and handle, RSI, triple gap up, and ascending channel. Aftermarket action and ascending channel. Way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this is a falling knife right now. It's gotten wrecked in the past 2 days, and still a lot more downside to go. You would not be buying a dip here. You'd be buying into a falling knife. So in the short term, this is possible that this comes back up to. So eventually, this should come back up to 22.45 to fill the gap there. That could either happen in the short term, if this has a dead cat bounce, or it's going to fill in the longer term when this stock has its day again. So from the current price of 18.55, let's see. That would be over a 20% upside potential. So a decent amount of upside. So there's still a decent amount of upside potential here. But really not too much. And again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 18.55, that would be about a 65% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 18.55 would be a high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. Yeah, according to the RSI, 18.55 is a terrible entry. Overbought, overvalued right now. Yeah, again, 18.55 is a terrible entry. Is really not a good entry. And honestly, if you're a bit patient here, again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap, and I think that would be an excellent entry, a way better entry than the current price of 18.55. So from 650 up to 22.45. That would be about a 245% upside potential. And it really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. That's near the all-time low. So I would say going long at 650. At 650 would be a low risk, very high reward play, and that is definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Massive upside potential in the longer term. And really shouldn't go too much lower to the downside. So you really can't go too wrong there. So I don't like the current entry of 1855, but I can support going long at 650, where the gap is, and lower at 650, where the gap is. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports on the chart. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, you missed a lot of downside already. So that kind of sucks. So that's unfortunate. But there is still a lot of downside to go here. It's not too late. It still looks like a pretty. It still looks like a good play to me. It still looks like a pretty good play to me. Again, this is a falling knife right now. A lot of bearish news. Ryan Cohen dumping his stake. Hedge funds coming in, shorting this down. Way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. Momentum cooling off. So this looks like it's due for So this is already pulled back pretty significantly, and it looks like it's due for even more significant pullback. Again, in the short term, this has the potential to come back up to 22.45 to fill the gap there. Which would be over a 20% upside potential. And again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 65% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 1855, would be a medium risk, high reward play. I say medium risk because technically this is still short squeezing, so anything can happen. Although it's pretty unlikely. It looks like the squeeze is pretty much over. And I say high reward play because, again, a 65% downside potential here. So a lot of downside potential here in the short term. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this should eventually pull back down to 650 where the gap is, and that should be some pretty fat tendies to the downside. So I can support going short at the current price, 1855 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is for a relatively easy 65% downside gain here. So sorry to everyone who lost money in stock today. Consider taking profits. Consider taking profits if you're still up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBBY. This is BBBY. BBBY. Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay. So I think I did a pretty good job there. That didn't take too long. What, like 40 minutes? Not even. Good stuff. Good stuff. It's at 11 now. No, it's not. It's at 12. 11 is the low. So I guess it did go down there, but it's holding 12 pretty strong. It looks like 12 is some pretty critical support. Oh, I missed a lot of comments. CFO selling 50K shares too? Really? Where do you see that? I didn't see that. Oh my god. Alright, so, oh, I did see. Alright, so, we got some more news. In addition to that, the CFO, Gustavo Arnold, sold 55,000 shares, at $25.52 each. So in total, Ryan Cohen cashed out with more than $58 million in profit. And it says he sold from 1868 to 2922. Okay. Good stuff. It's a matter of when, not if. But didn't expect it would go this fast. God? Yeah, well, it went up. It went up quite a bit too. So, you know, it's going to go down just as fast as it went up. Do you think AMC will go down in sympathy? Probably. Yes. I would say yes. It is. 1880 right now. It is. GME down 10% after hours, plus the 6% move down today. Yeah, so the meme stocks are trading in sympathy. AMC, GME getting wrecked here. I do all meme stocks should take cover? Yeah, all meme stocks getting wrecked here, trading in sympathy. All memes have been running for the past couple of weeks. They were due for a cool-off, and add Bed Bath & Beyond. Add in the Bed Bath & Beyond shenanigans, and you have a recipe for a dip. A dip? A recipe for a guh. Recipe for BitConnect.
Be connect.
Dip or falling knife? Yes. Recipe for a BitConnect. It's a butter knife, not a super sharp ass knife like Bed Bath & Beyond. That's a good one. If you can't short shares, don't play puts. They are going to be super expensive. Yeah, IV is going to be nuts right now. Yeah, it's at 11:30. 12-1. Bye-bye. Really? Oh my god. Yeah, you guys are right. It's at 11:30 right now. Oh my god.
Be connect.
Yep. Alright. Oh, it's at 11 now. It's at 11. Yep. New low. Lower lows. Higher lows, lower lows, lower lows. It's at 11. It's going to break 11 right now. Oh my god. What the hell? Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. Alright guys, so that's all the TA for today. Good stuff. We're doing pretty good on time here. Let's finish up with the Yolos. And this should be fun. Should be a lot of lost corn. And maybe we'll wing some, because I put out the Yolos before this epic collapse. You know, aftermarket. So let's see what I got, and we may just pull out, see if there's any new posts, see if there's any new gain or lost corn. And maybe a low roller can help me out here. You know, see if there's any new lost corns that just got posted. And we should have time here to watch a video today. So yeah, we can watch the Alibaba guy, sure. Alright, give me 1 second here, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos. Okay. Good. Now just gotta wait for this to finish loading. Let me check YouTube in the meantime. Alright, now 11 looks like the new critical support. Until it's not. Let me check YouTube real quick. Where are we at? We're at 11 viewers, 16 likes. So still a lot of people in here. Some people dip, but still a lot of people in here. And yes, thank you guys for the likes. So once this finishes loading here, I will. Well, I think we can do it anyway. Give you guys the Khaled.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Yeah, so thank you guys so far. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Okay, cool. So still loading here. Give this another minute. And if you guys have anything else for me, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we get out of here. Yeah, we should be done here pretty quick, in like 15, 20 minutes. Maybe a little more. Because we have to watch this video. Hope it's not too long. But yeah, guys, so for the past, week, we've been having like 3-hour shows. Looks like today's going to be like around 2 hours. So, nice change here. Take a little break. It just broke 11. 10.95. And counting. 10.95 and counting. Wow. Baba Guy Reader's Digest version. Okay. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. Not cooperating today. Reddit is overloaded with lost corn right now. Alright, whatever. Not going to wait on this. 12 months ago, 61K all-in Baba spreads. I thought it was more than that. Wasn't it 150K? Something. I thought it was over 100K. And then he lost everything. Bad Photoshop, if you ask me. What, this one? Getting ahead of me here. 1080. 1080. 1080 and dropping. Wow. Yeah, watching this live. This is sick. This is sick. 9 months to minus 35K. Still believe in Baba? Yeah, so he should have bought shares and not spreads and options and stuff. He should have just played shares. That would have been the right thing to do. Just keep buying the dip. But, try to go 8 mode and doesn't work. Oh, I didn't get any new subs. Surprising. I thought I'd get some subs. That's right. 5 months, 6K. Okay, I'm done with Baba. Yeah, it's just really unfortunate, the timing, because Baba, it's part of the China play, and China just went good. So, yep. China wrecked his portfolio. Should have went with shares. Oh, it's since recapping the Baba play. Alright, guys, I don't know why this is taking so long to load, but we'll get started anyway. All right, so today we have so today this should be fun. We have a lot of Yolos. We got 12 Yolos, a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and at the end we'll just wing it a little bit and see if there's any more new lost corn because a new generation of bag holders has been born today for sure. Yeah, so we'll do these. These are pretty good, and then we'll see if there's anything else. Or I guess Low Roller is looking right now for the new lost corn. So we'll just do these, and we'll look at Low Rollers and see if there's anything else. All right, let's do it. So this first one's by Glowy Jar. Must be assigned to buy more. So this is Bed Bath & Beyond, but, the Bed B isn't there. So it's ATH and beyond. All-time high and beyond. Not even close, dude. Not even close. Not even close to the all-time high. And, I sure hope you did not buy more. I really hope you did not buy more. Nope. Inverse Wall Street bets. So, yes, inverse Kramer, right? No, inverse Wall Street bets. He should have inversed this and been printed. So, Nope, not assigned to buy more. Quite opposite, actually. So I hope you didn't do that. Alright, this is by Tiffany Cox. I'll just leave this here. Bed. Bobbies? What does Bobby stand for? Bed. I don't know what Bobby stand for, but yeah. Minus 24% one day. It's actually not 24 now. It's actually 55. But you see here, plus 245% in 1 month. And he's still above water, so. So yes, it was like this earlier today. But no, it's not plus 245 in 1 month. His head is now underwater. All the apes are underwater now. So you can leave that there. But you should hit the sell button before you know this turns into go. So yeah, plus 245 in 1 month. So, not anymore. Not anymore. Hit the sell button, guys. Wall Street Bets pronounce Bed Bath & Beyond. BBBY is Bobby. Do they? I thought it stands for something. And what is this joke with watermelons? What is this whole watermelon joke? I still don't get it. What's with the watermelons? Alright, by outfishing. GME apes to Bed Bath & Beyond apes. I'm gonna keep it real with you, Chief. You're gonna be here a while. Yep. Yep. Take it from the apes. Take it from the OG apes. OG GME apes. You're gonna be here a while. A long, long time. Alright. By LALKB24. How I made $110 million starter kit. Sometimes all a person needs to make $110 million is one missing piece. So this is a joke from the college kid that made $100 million. So all you need is $25 million from my parents to invest in Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, this ginger kid right here. This guy? Really, this guy made 100 mil? Yeah, so he bought 5 million shares at $5.50 a share and sold at 27. So he bought low and sold high and made 130 mil. So shout out to this guy, but you know, I wish I had a rich dad too. Couldn't even imagine. Hey, Dad, can I have 25 mil? Why, son? So I can YOLO on Bed Bath & Beyond. Sure, why not? Bruh. Like, come on, bruh.
Bruh.
What a life, what a life. Bed Bath and bag holders. Good one, good one. Oh, what's up, iMix Master? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. That's a good one, that's a good one. I found an inverse Tesla leverage ETF. I'm about to blow up my account. What's it called? Can we check it out? Alright, guys, if you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, this is by Higgy. Update. 2 mil to 5 mil, 3.5 mil, 4.3 mil. And this was 21 hours ago. What is it at now? Alright, so we did review this guy. So yes, he ran it up from 2 mil to 4.3 mil. No, 2 mil to 5 mil. And he diamond handed to 3 mil to 4.3 mil. Oh boy, what's it at now? What is this at now? How many shares does he have? 174,000 shares. We'll call it 11, right? So now he's at 1.9 mil. So he's actually in the red now, bruh. Yeah, so update. 2.5 mil, 5 mil, 3.5 mil, 4.3 mil, 1.9 mil. Now in the red. So, yeah, you see, you guys, diamond hands is not the way. So, I hope this guy sold. Come on, bro. You have to sell, right? I hope he sold. I don't think he sold. So, if he was smart, he would have set a stop loss at 2 mil. So, at least you break even. But, damn, imagine you made 3 mil and then you ended up losing money because diamond hands.
Bruh.
Typical ape stuff. TSLQ. Not that exciting. It's dumped since it opened because Tesla ripped. We'll check it out here. How do you not take gains or something like that? I mean, I'm dumb, but not that stupid. Yeah, because this is Wall Street Bets. That's why. You got these rich kids with your daddy's money, and then you YOLO, and yeah, because it's gonna go to 60. You know, nuclear Mars. It's going to 60. Diamond hands. I'm not selling. All right, dude, suit yourself. So I certainly hope he sold. Worst case scenario, I hope he set a stop loss at 2 mil. So the worst thing that could happen was break even. But yeah, I hope he sold. I don't think he did though. So epic gain corn, epic loss corn. Nice. If he didn't sell, doubling his money, then he belongs at Wall Street Bets. Oh, he definitely belongs there. If he doubled his money and he didn't cash out at 4 mil, definitely belongs there. All right, this is a good one. All right, so we're done with the memes. This is by Professor Chaos. Bed Bath & Beyond. Am I regarded? So $15 calls, 51 $15 calls expires tomorrow. All right, so we see here. Literally the guy ran it from 3K, literally $3,000 to $80,000, okay? 2,300% gain there. What the actual hell? 3K to 80K. That is unheard. Well, not unheard of, but just stupid. But now it's down to 8K. So that's what Diamond Hands will do to you. So actually, he's technically still in the green. He's up $4,400. But this was 4 hours ago, before before the massive guh. So I'm not sure what this is going to be worth tomorrow morning, but yeah, so 3K to 80K down to 0. So what's worse? 2 mil down to down up to 5 mil to down below 2 mil, or 3K to 80K to 0? Which one's worse? You let me know, guys. Either way, everyone belongs here. So yeah, Professor Chaos, you definitely belong here. You are regarded. You are highly regarded, yes. Definitely belong here. So, I hope you learned your lesson. You got extremely lucky here. I don't know why you didn't sell. Because Diamond Hands, that's why. You see what Diamond Hands does, guys? Don't Diamond Hands. So, at least you can live to tell the tale now. 3K to 80K to 0. So, congrats to you. Hope you feel good. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally deserve it. But great content. Very great content. So I appreciate that. Good luck to you. I can't watch these. It's not my accounts, but I still get mad at the stupidity. Yeah, I know, right? Diamond Hands, right? No, it's obviously just like newbies that don't know what the hell they're doing. Get lucky and proceed to lose everything. All right, this one's good too. So I can't give credit here. But I just exercised 1,500 shares because I know B. All right, this is extremely stupid. I'll see here. All right, so he exercised all his shares. Not all. 1,500. Anyway. So, first of all, this is extremely stupid because if you guys didn't know this, you should never exercise your shares. There's only 2 situations where you should. Near expiration, when it doesn't even matter anymore. And there's another situation. I forget what the other situation was. My bad. But definitely exercising shares is not good because you just lose money. It's better just to sell the options back than to exercise. Because when you exercise, you give up your EV, your extrinsic value. So this guy definitely just lost a couple $1,000s just by exercising. You got to sell it back. Don't exercise, first of all. So that was extremely stupid. I don't know why you'd do that. Definitely inexperienced there. Definitely an ape. Second of all, Don't know what the average is. But here, he was up 15K. Don't think he's up 15K anymore. Let's see. How many shares does he have? 2250. 2250 times 11. I actually don't know if he's up or down now, but it ain't 15K no more. I guarantee you that. So another stupid play here. Not nearly as bad as the other guys, but yeah, guys. If you ever think about exercising, don't. I don't mean like physically exercising. I mean exercising your shares. Don't do that. Always sell it back. Always sell it back. 99% of the time. I don't know what the hell this guy's doing here. He just blew up his own money. He just burned his own money here. So he lost money on the exercising, and then he lost money on the G. So really well done. Definitely belong here. Epic loss cord. What up, Jalen? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. You kind of caught the end of the show, but I'm glad you could stop in real quick. Appreciate you, dude. He's in a better position. He bought each of those shares for 6 or 10. Those options are going to lose a tons of value with this GUH, so he still loses money. Not as bad as if he just keeps holding on the options. Yeah, so he effed up royally there. Just did a lot wrong. I really don't exercise shares unless you are a hedge fund or have millions of dollars. Yeah, unless it's close to expiration. Very few situations where you should do that. Just not a good idea. And that's like basic stuff, you know. I don't know what the hell that guy's doing. You can check the new one when YOLO is finished. Yeah, I got you, dude. We'll look at all those YOLOs. All right, this is by Jezball. Bed Bath & Beyond. Down, but not out. Hold on tight. All right, so, don't know how many shares. This is in euros. So this guy was down 17K today. 6 hours ago. 38%. Oh boy, what's he down now?
Be connect.
I don't even want to know. Down but not out. Hold on tight. No, don't hold on tight. You should just hit the sell button. Hit the sell button, dude. Epic loss cord. Don't know how much he lost, but this guy's down bad. He's down real bad. What's the average? All right, this is by Muggle Keck. 2. My life savings YOLO. If I can hodl, you can hodl. Let's go. Oh my god. All right. So, today he's down 16K. So, yeah. 62 euro, 62K euro YOLO. 62,000 euros. So he was down 16K. How many shares does he have? Doesn't even say. Oh, there it is. 2,800. 2,810. Okay. So it's in euros, so I don't know. But, so he lost 16K here today, 26%. And, I don't even want to know what he's down now. But he's down bad.
Be connect.
So if you can hodl, I can inverse you. Let's go. So, epic loss code here. So, Muggle Keck, sorry for your loss. Hit the sell button. Good stuff. All right, by Crypto Finder. For every upvote, I'll buy one more share of Bed Bath & Beyond. If this gets 5,000 upvotes, I'll take a 50K loan to YOLO. How many upvotes does this have? How many upvotes? 80K. Oh my god. So where's the 50K? What's the 50K loan? Liar. Where's 50K loan? All right, so he got 80.6K upvotes. So he has to buy 80.6K shares and 50K to YOLO. Can this guy afford 80K shares? Make it happen, dude. Make it happen. You promised. Anyway. So, 3,200 shares. 70K YOLO? No, 80K YOLO. Almost 80K YOLO. Down 15K. What? So 20, oh my God, 24 average. $24 cost average. $24 cost average. So what's it at now? Okay. So now he's down 35K. Down 35K.
Be connect.
So 24 average. Now it's at 11. Last time I checked. So he's down over 50% here. So down 35K, and hey, you said it, dude. You gotta buy 80K shares. You gotta buy 80,000 shares. You promised. And then take a 50K loan. Make it happen, dude. So Epic lost Cord. And gotta stay true to your word. So shout out to you, Crypto Finder. Sorry for your loss. Make it happen. You promised. What is good buy at AMC now? Not sure. Let's check it out in a second here. After the Yolos. A lot of new meme and Wall Street bets now. All the lost corn. At least it shares down 22K just on after this hours. Down 22K just on this after hours move. $8. 2,800. The guy didn't do it. The guy didn't do what? Then you have to carry. Then you have to convert back to euros. Carry the one. Yeah, it's down a lot. Yeah, BitConnect. The guy said he'll take a loan too. Yeah, he didn't do it, and he didn't take a loan. Liar. Liar, liar, liar. All right, it's holding 11. It's at 10.95. Holding 11 now. All right, by Revolutionary Title 32. I only have a buy button for Bed Bath & Beyond. 180K added yesterday alone. What the actual hell? What is your cost basis? Sir, what is your cost basis? I don't even want to know. So I don't know what this guy's average is or what his total is or anything, but he added 180K yesterday.
Be connect.
So that means he lost 90K today. Is that right? Good. So I don't even want to know how much he lost. Actually, I do. How much you lose, dude? Probably a lot. Probably a lot. Good luck, man. Post it. Please post it. I want to see this. All right. So this one's not Bed Bath & Beyond, but by Alarmed Ad. 8980. And let me load up these other Yolos. All right, cool. I just graduated from college a few months ago, and I have 33K of student loan debt. I seriously wish I would have just paid my loans. I lost 40K across three of my investment accounts. With that being said, I'm going to use this last $546 to make back all my losses. All right. So that's pretty good. 33K for a college grad. I don't know how he made that, but it sounds like it saved some money. Oh no, 40K. He had 40K. Say, you should have paid your account. You should have paid your loans off, dude. That's the first thing I did. As soon as, as soon as I had the money, I paid off my loans. I hate loans. But yeah. So only one way this is possible. FD Yolos. So Bluebird's account. Totally your fault, dude. But I hope you learned your lesson. In the grand scheme of things, 40K isn't like the worst thing in the world. So expensive learning lesson, expensive tuition. And sure, dude. I guess you can YOLO your last $500, but probably going to zero. So yeah, a lot to learn here. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Priorities, pay your debts, and chill with FD YOLOs. So 33K loss here, 40K loss here. I guess 33K loss here. Good. So sorry for your loss, but hope you learned your lesson. You'll be alright, dude. Still young. But yeah, sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. And, yeah, just hang in there. It'll be alright. Who pay college loan? Biden will pay his college fund. Not that much. Not 33K. So, Biden's probably going to come out with something here soon. But, he ain't paid. It's probably going to be 10K. Everyone wants 50K. They want the whole thing. But it's going to be like 10K. I wouldn't do it. Take loan. I don't blame the guy. Yeah, but he promised he would, so what a liar. Alright, already did this one. Alright, here comes the lost chord. 70K lost Bed Bath & Beyond. It's more than that now. This was 40 minutes ago. It says 40% down. It's 50% now. 53%. Oh boy. Yeah, he loaded the boat here. Yeah, I wonder what it's going to be tomorrow. So yeah, he loaded the boat. A bunch of calls here. He had a $20.5 call. That's what it was. $20.5 call. Go.
Be connect.
By the way, Bed Bath & Beyond's at 1070 now. 1070. 1070. Oh, it's Robinhood users? Yeah. I mean, you can assume a lot. Just if someone's using Robinhood, you can assume a lot. You know, generally speaking, they don't know what the hell they're doing. They're brand new at this. And they most likely just play options and Dogecoin. Generally speaking, not always, but yeah. If someone uses Robinhood, you could assume they're a noob. And if someone uses IBKR, you can assume they're a pro. Alright, what's this? Bed Bath & Beyond, 4,000 to 20,000. Thank God for seeking alpha FUD. What, did he buy puts or something? Alright, I don't know if it's worth that much anymore. I don't think this is accurate. Is this accurate? Yeah, I'm not sure if this is still at 20K. So, congrats to this guy for the massive gains. And if you're still up, hit the sell button. Probably not still up, though. All right, last one. I think he sold. Yeah, I think he did. That's what it seems like. All right, last one. Learning lesson from Bed Bath & Beyond. Hello, Degens. I know a lot of you have no empathy, and while it's every investor or gambler's responsibility, this is still really effing sad for some people. I know how it feels. I got suckered on Clover. For you newcomers, Clover ran to 30 at one point, and everybody held the line, while slowly but surely they dropped the price to 3. I was devastated, lost all my money. I cried, I was angry. I ruined a very important relationships in my life. I only had one choice, to learn and to get better. Since that happened to me, I went on a limb and learned a lot of information. Instead of crying about it, one day I activated my brain and made sure I realized where I went wrong. Yeah. So, this is the only way to learn, or the best way to learn. Get burned. Unfortunately, apes don't really learn. If you lost money, you're not the first effing person to get swindled. It feels terrible, and you have two choices here. Learn from your mistakes or keep on making them. Absolutely. Absolutely. You learn, expensive tuition, or you don't learn and just keep on being an ape. Respect. For the love of God, if you feel depressed or going to delete yourself, talk to somebody. If the mods could post a hotline, it would be appreciated. All right, so I really don't feel bad for people who got burned here. I mean, it does suck, and it is really sad, but I don't feel bad, you know? Like, everybody's warning you. Well, not everybody. The apes are trying to get you to pump it, but, you know, everyone with a brain, everyone with every financial professional is saying that this is ridiculous. Cash in, you know, secure the gains. It's coming back down. But for some reason, apes think they're smarter and better investors than financial professionals. So we all knew this was going to happen. I don't feel bad at all. But yes, you know, there's always going to be a brand new generation of bag holders, and some of them learn, most of them don't. So yes, I respect to this guy, and yes, a lot of people got hurt. Hope they learned their lesson, but I don't feel that bad. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. AMC at a key level, 1826. It is the low from August 4th, 17, where it ripped on August 5th, below 1675, and then 1394 from July 27th. Yeah, another Clove Warrior. Hey, I was in Clove, but I sold for a profit. I was in Wish, I was in Clove, I was in MMAT, I was in all this stuff with you guys. But I'm not Diamond Hands. I hit the sell button. That's the difference. Look at the new post on Wall Street Bets now and meme pictures of some YOLO updates. Alright. Yeah, let's see if there's anything else here. Oops. All right. And then I guess we got the Alibaba guy, and that's it. It's down to 1035 now, by the way. Down to 1035. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's a post by Ryan Cohen. I'm sick of seeing failed executives make millions in risk-free compensation while shareholders are left holding the bag. Yep. Yep. Aged like milk. I'm not seeing any corn though. My father gave me a small loan of $25 million. Yep. I'm not really seeing anything else though. Yeah, no new memes. Wall Street Bets new tabs. I don't know where that is. How do you sort this? Oh, new. Ryan Cohen files from start. Files form stating intent to sell. All you idiots. Pikachu face. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here, though. No one wants to post their corn. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. Anyway, alright, so last order of business. Let's watch the Alibaba guy. Oh, we have to actually look at, Let me load that up, and then we have to look at some tickers. So let me load this up first of all. Pause. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much that's the show for today, guys.
Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys an
Sorry. Playing by itself. But that is the show for today, guys, pretty much. So we're just winging it now. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put in the chart right now. We'll finish up with some tickers and the Alibaba guy, and we'll get out of here. 45K, 850, 1850 AMC puts bought today, 30K, $20 calls. Interesting. There might be a spread. Might be a spread. Kind of sounds like a spread. EVFM is trading on OTC market. Is it tough for them to gain? Is it tough for them to gain in pricing? Is it? Oh, it is OTC. It's a little bit harder because there's not too much volume, but it's not like that low float. I guess it kind of is, yeah. 2.4 million or 6.5 million average, so it's a little hard, but not as hard. I didn't know it was OTC though. Me thinks the puts having better chance of winning, but probably wasn't getting too far from 1850. Yeah, I think that was a spread, dude. It seems like a spread. Well, I'm assuming it's a spread. That's what it seems like. Can't say for sure, but I think that was a spread. Those are for options expiring tomorrow. Monthly options expiration. Yeah, we'll see where that goes. But the puts are winning right now. But I think that was a spread. What up, Nicole R? AMTD? All right, we'll check that out. All right, what are we looking at? TSLQ? TSLQ, AMC, and AMTD. Okay, this is pretty new. So it's going down because Tesla's been going up. Okay. RSI is at 31. So interesting. So if you guys want to short Tesla, here's a way to do it. All right, AMC. Okay. All right, so very, very rough estimate here. So cup and handle at 27, low at 9. Let me do some quick math. Very rough estimate. So 17. 8.5. All right, very rough estimate. I think 19.5. No, 18.5. 18.5, I would say, is a good entry. And the way I got that is halfway between the top and bottom of the cup. So I rounded up. 27 is the top of the cup. 10 is the bottom of the cup. So halfway between 27 and 10 is about 18.5. So, I would say 18.5, yes. Right now, 19.3 is fair market value, 50 RSI. So, it may even pull back lower than that. But I would say 18.5 and lower, I think, is a good entry. Not financial advice. Quit and start playing poker, other stuff like sports bet or casino card game or play poker. You're saying you should or we should? Yeah. Well, different types of gambling. I just don't like poker. Like, poker is good. I love poker. It's just the rake is really high. That's why I prefer, stocks. And sports betting, same thing. The rake is high. The juice, the vig. So those are winnable. It's just hard because the house has that edge on you. But, at least stocks, there's no vig. That's why I prefer stocks more. All right, AMTD. So I did a video on this like 2 weeks ago on Nicole. So not sure if you want to check that out. And I kind of forgot what I said. I think I said I think I said buy at 230 if I'm not mistaken. I think I said it gapped up at 230, so 230 is a good entry. So yeah, looks like it's bottoming out here. So it filled that gap, looks like it's bottoming now, trying to catch support. And no gaps though. So RSI is at 50, so yeah, 22.5 is fair market value, according to the RSI. So pretty decent entry. And it does look bullish. It looks like it's starting to cup and handle. So, yeah, this is a very average entry. I can support going long here and lower. And it does look bullish in the longer term. So, yes, I can support going long 250 and lower. And have some supports here. But long term looks bullish. Hope that answers your question. TSLQ is 2x Tesla bear. Get out, get in, get the F out. Yeah. So good time to that's for swing plays, not holding. Damn, I fell asleep. Missed a good show, dude. But I'm glad you make it back here at the end. Last post. I already closed down my. Actually, no. I guess we can look at that. Stock same as gambling, but at least you don't sell. But at least you don't sell and you don't lose. Yeah. It is better than gambling because you could, if anything, you can just hold and you have a chance of making your money back. Okay. You think the government will put age limit 21 years to play options since a lot of young people YOLO their college fund? No, they probably won't, but that's not a bad idea. Because I think we talked about this before. You can gamble at 18 in a lot of places. It's not 21 everywhere. So, it's not a bad idea. I just don't think it's going to happen. You're welcome, Nicole. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. That's all I ask. Okay, what's this? YOLO update certified ape today. Didn't sell at 58K. Definitely won't sell now. In it for the long run. All right, yeah. So give them the clown. That's what they all say, right? Diamond hands. Hodl. It was okay. It was a long-term play all along. Typical ape. So, yeah, down 16K today. So he was at 38K. So he's at 58K. What's his average? I don't know. Yep, so got wrecked, and now he's back holding for the long term. Clown, clown, clown. New generation of bag holders. Cool. All right, last order of business. Alibaba guy. And I don't think we'll actually watch the video because we could see it all here. What does he got? So UAL put. So he has 15K. Bunch of spreads here. Boeing, Bumble, Disney, Meta, PayPal, SoFi. All leaps 2024. So I like that. And he sold a put on UAL, so cash secured put there. So I like this. I like this. This is really well done. Well, I don't know about the plays actually, but this is how you not ape. This is like responsible aping here. This is how you trade options. You know, multi-leg strategies, spreads, condors, covered calls, cash secured puts. You know, straddle, strangle, stuff like that. Not FD YOLO options. Lottery tickets. So I think it's come up quite a bit. So still down. He was at like 100 something K and went down to like 10K, right? So now he's back to 15K, which is I think that's the high for the year or something. So good for this guy. I like this guy a lot. And I am catching him on subs. He is like 1.7K. Catching this guy pretty quick. Does he scroll down? No, he doesn't scroll down. Alright, yeah, we're not gonna watch this whole thing. But yeah, nice update. I like it, I like it. I like the plays. And I hope he makes his money back. Very likable guy. UVXY up 40% after hours. Picked some calls up today. It's been a while since we've seen a nice VIX spike. Up 0.4% or 40%. I think it's 0.4%. All right, dude. Good luck to you. Hope it works out. Update us on that. Robinhood of OTC market now. Yeah, but doesn't mean people are still going to trade. People only use Robinhood for options and Doge. Alibaba guy didn't post video lately. Yeah, I guess he's been busy. That's why I'm catching him. All right, guys. So that's the show for today. Hold on here. Let me exit this. What can I exit? One second. There we go. Okay. X and boom. Alright guys, that is the show for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. Really good show. We didn't have much to talk about, but a lot of chatting, which is always a pleasure. Staying and kicking with you guys. Always a pleasure to answer your questions. Hang with the community. So I said hour and a half to 2 hours. We ended up going 2.5 hours. Pretty typical. But that's alright. Like I said, I always enjoy spending time with you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Good show today. Not much content. Not many articles. Only one TA. But Yolos were really good. And let's double check what Bed Bath & Beyond is at right now before we get out of here. It's at 1070 now. And still dropping. So yeah, pretty sick. Pretty sick. Okay. That's all I got for today, guys. Anything else? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we're out of here. I like all type of gamble, but one thing I hate most is paying taxes. If you win somewhere poker and sports bets, it's tax-free. Not exactly. If you win more than 10K, you have to pay taxes. The casino reports you. So, try not to win over 10K when you go to the casino. So, most of the time, you don't have to, because no one really wins 10K. But, actually, by law, the casino reports you to the IRS if you win 10K. So, just be careful with that. But, yeah, for sure. Taxes, you can't get away with taxes on stock trading. You can with other casino stuff. Up to 10K. So, just be careful with that. Alright, guys. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I think that's it. Let me just double check YouTube real quick. I think that's it. I think most people dipped, though. Alright, 8 viewers, 18 likes. So that's still a lot of people. I didn't think this many people would be left. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you to all the regulars, all the new people, everyone who stayed, everyone who came today, and everyone who stayed to the very end. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And that's all I got. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Let's get out of here. And I gotta put this video out right now because it's hot. This year gonna be second year trying fantasy football, 1K buy-in, picking 8th. Is that like regular fantasy football or like the daily fantasy football? Sounds like the whole season, 1K buy-in. All right, good luck, dude. Is there a place like first, second, third or something? I'm not big into fantasy, but I do love me some football. So, good luck, dude. And at least football is easy, you know. It's once a week. I can't do baseball. It's like once every day. That's just too much. Football is very manageable, once a week. But all right, so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get out of here. 12-team league. What? So the top 3 get money or something? All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. One more time. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Plus, I got my yearly spread league. That one is tough because over 50 player league. Yeah, that sounds real tough. But if you win, you get a big payout. I guess that's how it works, right? Small buy-in, big payout. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.